Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Faqih Mohamad Zawir bin Mohamad Azam from E28. So, the problem that we have today is a student wants to insert links into his thesis or document in Word, but he doesn't know how to do it. So today I am going to teach you just that. Let's get straight into it.
The first step that you would want to do is to select a phrase or word that you would want to turn it into a link. So for example, I would want to turn this phrase into a link. I would just select it, and then we go to the insert tab. Then you could see this link. You click it, and there will be three options that you could link it to. You could link it to an exterior web page or another file, a place in this document, or an email. Okay, in this case I would want to link it to a web page. So here we have the address of the web page that we need to paste. Yeah, so we just find the web page that we want to use. Here we just copy it using Ctrl+C, then we paste it here using Ctrl+V. We click on OK, and here this phrase will become a link, and then when you hover over it, it would give out a command to follow the link. So we just do Ctrl+click, and then it will take you to the website. So this thing can not only be used on phrases or words, but it could also be used on pictures. Wait, let me find a picture. Okay, for example, this picture. I just select the picture, click on link, and then we just paste the address that you want to. For example, it's this. Then we go back, paste it, yeah, and it becomes a link. Here we have the prompt again. Ctrl+click, and it will take you here. Alright. Now for the second option that you would see, Alright, so for the second option, to transport inside the document itself, a link to transport inside the document itself. So for example, we just select a phrase that you want to use. For example, is this chapter 1. We click on link again. This time we click this, place in this document. Click this option. Then you could link it to headings that you have made beforehand, and also bookmarks that you have made. Okay, so for example, in this scenario, I would want to link it to chapter 1. We just click OK, and there it becomes a link. Ctrl+click, it takes us to chapter 1. Okay, cool. So the last but not least is to link it to an email address. So for example, you're a teacher and you want your students to write a synopsis on on this whole document. For example, you want to wait. So for example, you want to yes, write an email about the synopsis here. So we just select the sentence, click on link, click on email address. You can put your email address here, and then you can put the subject beforehand. So for example, you want plants. This document is about plants, and yeah, that's about it. After you put in your email address, you can click on OK, and then an email pops up, and that's kind of it. Okay, thank you for watching.